What's going on, guys? In this video we're unboxing the Harbor Freight Chicago Electric 20 amp plasma cutter. That looks good. So it is packaged pretty nicely. I like that it comes with a little filter as well as it has a regulator. So this is a drag tip torch. So you'll put it on the metal and then drag it. Little button up top. Comes with a little tool and some consumables. Let's get this thing plugged in. Slide it in, turn it. And then this little piece just gets threaded on. Tighten that up. Stick that on. Alright, it says do not remove right here. My bad. Also my bad. This says, yeah. And this one says hold, it needs to make contact with the workpiece, hold it at a 90. Which obviously. What y'all really came for is let's get this thing cut. My man. This right here is 1/8 inch thick. We're gonna be testing out on that. Look at how smooth that was. Alright guys, that's a quick test on the Chicago Electric plasma cutter. Here's the older Harbor Freight that I got. This one's up to 40 amps. This runs off of a 220, that runs off of a 110. But 20 amps, that's not bad. They say it goes up to maybe 1/4 inch, which I don't doubt it. I'm still getting used to dragging it out. That's a quick cut on the Harbor Freight Chicago Electric 20 amp plasma cutter. Let me know what y'all think on Bataha, and I'll see y'all in the next one.